A line that is going in the negative x direction, so it's going to the left. If this line is 10 units long, it would be at negative 10 because it's going to the left, comma, 0 because it is not going any direction in the y. A line that is traveling 9.5 units down in the negative y direction, this would have a relative coordinate of at 0, comma, negative 9.5 because it's going down in the y direction. So your relative coordinates will have an x and y value. If I was drawing a line that is going to the right 5 units and up 3 units, this would have a relative coordinate of at 5 because it's going to the right, comma 3 because it's going up. A line that is traveling down to the right and down 5 units to the right and down 3 units would have a relative coordinate of at 5 because it's going to the right, comma, negative 3 because it's going down. So in your relative coordinates, a positive x direction means it's going to the right. A negative x direction means it's going to the left. A positive y means it's going up. A negative y means it's going down. So your relative coordinates will have an x and y value separated by a comma. Positive and negative will determine whether it's going right or left, and a positive and negative y will determine whether it's going up or down. We will trim the 0.687 arc feature by going to the trim command in the modify section of the ribbon. Click on this line and click on the circle, press enter, click on the bottom half of the circle and click on the line inside of the circle and press enter. Next, we will represent the 0.687 radius arc feature as it would look in the front view. In the front view, the top of the curve is going to be represented by this line. This curve will look like a straight line when you're looking at it from the front view. So I'll just take my line tool, go to your control, hold your control key down, do a right mouse button click, go to quadrant, click on the top of the arc feature in the right side view and project straight over to the front view and click and press enter. We will extend these lines up to this line. So in the modify section of the ribbon, where the trim command is, you will select extend. And you will click on the line you projected from the side view over to the front view. You will click on this line, press enter, then click on this line and this line. So again, these two lines are represented in the front view as lines and not an arc. To represent the top of the arc, we will go to our trim command, select the 2 lines that we recently extended, press enter, and then click on this part of the line we want to delete and this one, and press enter.